So the first question, explain the CSS specificity. How does the browser decide which styles to apply? So CSS specificity decide which styles to the apply when the multiple styles target to the same element. The browser gives the priority on the basis of how specific the selector is. So the priority from the low to high are: first one is the element selector P or div, second one is the class selector dot class, and the third one is ID selector hashtag ID, where the fourth one is the inline style, which is the most highest priority one. So for the example, if the priority is the same, then the last return rule will win. So our second question, explain the CSS box model with the example of margin, padding, border and content. So the CSS box model describes how every HTML element is shown as the box. So there are four parts. First one is the content. Content is the actual text or the image. Second one is the padding. Padding is a space inside the box around the content. Where the third one is the border. Border is the edge around the padding. Where the fourth one is the margin. Margin is the space outside the box distance from the other elements. So our third question, difference between the margin and padding. So the margin is the space outside an element which make the distance from the other element, where the padding is the space inside an element between the content and the border. So the fourth question, what are the pixel, RAM, EM, VH and VW? When to use them? So these all are the CSS unit. Pixel, fixed size doesn't change. RAM, related to the root font size, where EM related to the parent element and the percent related to the parent size, where VH percentage of viewport height, VW percentage of viewport width. When to use them? Pixel is used for precise control, where the RAM, EM and the percent is used for responsive design, where VH and VW is used for full screen layout.